today will perform. His name is EricLee. He's singing his own song, and he'll be playing the piano for us. Let's welcome EricLee to the stage.
You doing some shit? Hello, EricLee. My name is EricLee. Happy New Year. I have a song to play for you guys today. I wrote this song for a friend of mine that's going through a really hard time, and she's kind of struggling through kind of some family issues, and she had no one else to turn to but what she believed in and who she worshipped. The song is called "Help Me."
masyado na.
Oh, Hmong shit.
Any luck with the ladies this year at least? Any romance?
Not yet.
Okay, well, I
I'm not a serious one.
good luck with the next year. I hope you find someone.
Thank you.
So, my friend, are you dedicating this next piece to anyone special tonight?
Yeah, I definitely have. This next piece is called Hmong Chef, and I'm gonna need the help of Gary Gu and CJ Tao. So,